Hi, I hope it's better. I don't know. You know what? Turn it into an audiobook. Thanks, Jeremy. That's a good heads up. I'm gonna turn my streaming into an audiobook. But I'm sorry, guys. Internet was screwing up. Maybe it's my fault actually, because mid stream I decided to plug my laptop with a LAN. Maybe it was not the smartest thing to do. So I'm gonna reshare it to everywhere. Turn up. Gonna reshare it. Give me a second. Much better. Thank you, Jeremy. For it's good to have a best friend who actually pays attention to you and gives you some cheek. So, Toshni, bless. It's working now. I think my voice is fine because I'm using an external mic, which is quite expensive, and I think we can pick back up. Only thing is, unfortunately, until I get a wireless headset, I don't want to put. It's not that I don't want to. It's the PS4 is too far for me to actually plug in something. I don't think I've got enough cable from my headset, which I bought and was a big mistake. I hate it. That's fine. I'll get a PS4 Platinum headset when I can. Okay, we're gonna go back to this game. We spoke to Captain Allen, and he was very rude. We just asked for the android's name, and he didn't care, and that's why we're gonna all die, because you don't want to give attention to the machine. Brilliant. But let's get back into it. Use the right stick to move a cursor. Okay, we're looking for clues. Okay, I can. Ooh, that's a 35. 5. I don't think we have these guns in our world, because like 355, I've never heard of that. Not that I am a specialist in guns. It will be a weird thing for me to admit. Black Hawk, capacity 17 rounds. Okay, that's a nice name. Reconstruct? Can we reconstruct something? Reconstruction. Oh, okay. This is kind of a timeline. Oh, I'm going back right now, right? Use the right sticks to move the camera. Oh, okay. Here I can. Deviant took the father's gun. That's it? It's quite the tutorial. Okay. I know he took the father's gun. Interesting. Do you have ray tracing? You don't have ray tracing. It's not that it doesn't have it, it's that I'm using a PS4. Yeah, I know. Look, best console ever, except for the jet engine noise. Search for stage's room. Okay, that would be the girl's room. Aw, it's a mess. See, that's something I need. Listen to? Do you have some bobs? I hope that's BTS. Child didn't hear gunshots because she was bopping too hard too. I'm not gonna say BTS now. Now that I'm thinking that her dad died while she was listening to music. She was listening to R. Kelly. This very mixed to ignition. Okay, R. Kelly is a pedophile, I should know. Swipe the touchpad to interact. This is Daniel. His name Daniel. Hey, that's so nice once again, but that is actually playing from the controller. Okay, we know that his name Daniel. Search a stage's room, I think that's done. I guess he's over there, since everybody's pointing in that direction. What else can I look for? Ooh, that's a dead body. Ooh, that's a dead body. Left kidney perforated. Fatal abdominal trauma. Okay. Sad. Eyes. Deceased. That I've noticed. But there's not much else I can look at, is there? Yeah, I can't look at anything else here, at least. Ah. Why did you move up? But damn, like... No, it's the same angle, so... This very mixed to ignition. Or LMAO. Oh, Kelly. Yeah, there's nothing else you can do with that body here. Okay, that's not what I meant to say. Wow, you flip on yourself. Let's call it twirl, yeah? Unmute. Okay, that's the pad.
By all signs, the SWAT team are preparing for an assault, and it's been just over an hour since a little girl was taken hostage on the top floor building here in downtown Detroit. Details are still emerging on what exactly happened, but the hostage taker could be the family's Adrien. He may have taken the lives of at least one family member and a police officer. If confirmed, this would be the first case of an Adrien deliberately taking human lives.
Okay, thanks, Fox News. What else? Oh, started interacting with us, so I didn't push anything. But do it now! Oh no, somebody died! Well, did he die? Jesus, this intro is just... Family was about to have dinner. Really need a detective to find these things out. I can't go out just now, I only have like 52%. Jesus, that's an... DPD officer was first responder. We got a clean shot. Okay, I think there's more to find with the previous body, man. Right heart, ventral side perforated, internal bleeding. Well, internal... That's where the bleeding's supposed to be, right? Yes, I watch Brooklyn Nine-Nine. This is, yes, we get it. Well, he's a cop. I'm not gonna be sad. So, no, I'm kidding. Anything else? Okay. Lead, stiffnate, antimony sulfate, only one shot. Okay, let's reconstruct. How do I interact with these? Forgot. Oh, okay. Cop shot the deviant, but he's an android, so the stage witness was shooting. Okay, he's an android. Like one shot is not gonna do much. Okay, which angle is gonna give me some juicy? Oh. Well, that's just his gun. What am I gonna do with that? And you mean to tell me that there was a SWAT team in there for like a while and they didn't find the gun? Isn't that like... what's the term? I forgot the term for like when you're tampering with evidence? He even took it! Jesus!
What the fuck are you doing?
Yeah, I am, but like... No, I can't go outside just now. I don't have any option. I'm gonna die. See? I'm gonna die.
Stay back! Don't come any closer or I'll jump!
Sounds like beer right now. Daniel!
Hi, Daniel! My name is Connor. How do you know my name? I know a lot of things
Not
about
really.
you. I've come to get you out of this.
Oh my god. Fox News always fucking things up. Gain the stress approach.
know you're angry, Daniel. But you need to trust me and let me help. I don't want your help. Nobody can help
Just
me.
letting me to zoom in on him
All I want is
is
for all this to stop. I just want all this to
great
stop.
cinematography.
Are you armed?
Yes, I'm not gonna lie.
Yes. I have a gun. Drop it. No sudden moves or I'll shoot.
Oh, should have lied.
There.
I know.
No more gun.
Being honest is good. It seems. Emma and you. Okay, let's talk about Emma and him.
I know you and Emma were very close. You think she betrayed you, but she's done nothing wrong. She lied to
About
me.
what?
I thought she loved me. But I was wrong. She's just like all the other humans.
Daniel, no.
Is Emma the girl?
Listen. I know it's not your
Shit.
fault.
This dude got died.
These emotions you're feeling are just errors in your software.
Please help
No.
me.
It's not my fault. I never wanted
help
this. I love them. You know? But I was nothing to them. Just a slave to be ordered around.
Well, congratulations. You're a woman.
He's losing blood. If we don't get him to a hospital, he's going to die. All humans die eventually.
I
What
mean,
does
you're
it
not
matter if
wrong,
this
but
one
you're
dies
kind of
now?
an asshole.
I'm going to apply a tourniquet. Don't touch him. Touch him and I kill you.
No, he's gonna die.
You can't kill me. I'm not alive.
Bitch. I don't care. He was gonna die. Realistic.
There's no way out, Daniel. What you've done is too serious. The only question is whether or not you take another innocent life. It's not up to you. I'm holding all the cards. If I die, she dies. You hear me?
How strong is he? To do that with one hand.
I can't stand that noise anymore. Tell that helicopter to get out of here.
Yeah, of course. I'm not gonna risk that.
There. I did what you wanted. Listen, there are snipers on every roof. Let the hostage go. You have no other choice. I want everyone to leave. And I want a car. When I'm
You want a
outside
car?
the
Like
city, I'll let
become
her
a
go.
car? Let's compromise. No, I'm gonna refuse.
That's out of the question. You're a machine you have to obey. Now put the gun down and let the hostage go. I've spent my life taking orders.
Don't.
Now it's my turn to decide.
No. Are you kidding me? Oh, okay. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. I don't care if I die. I'm gonna make it. Die, bitch. But I'm gonna die too. No, I'm not gonna die. I'm an android. Can't die. It's not like I was an iPhone or something. Please fall in the pool or something. Mission successful, but at what cost? Aw, poor thing. Oh god, it's trash. Humans are trash. I mean, we know. That's such a... Star Wars! This is the scene's flowchart. Here you can review the paths you've taken. The path course yet to be explored, and what possibilities you unlock. Each node earns you points that you can spend for extras. Due to the nature of the game, some nodes and endings will not be counted until the completion of a flowchart. Okay, application suspending in because license. Alright, should I just spend 2 minutes connecting to the Wi-Fi now? Just in case. Okay, give me a second. I'm just gonna connect to the Wi-Fi because usually I use the LAN, and now I'm using the Wi-Fi. Set up internet connection, use Wi-Fi. Wait. Oh, it just did the thing? Did it? Just do the thing? Test internet connection. Yeah, there's no Wi-Fi. Gotta play until the intro cinematic. Wasn't that the intro cinematic? Like, wasn't that cinematic enough? Right, could you just hurry up and get my IP so I can get back to playing the game? You just need to check the license. And actually, I'm pretty sure like it lets you keep playing. I've got that message a lot of times. Lets you keep playing. Oh, why am I wasting time on this? Why am I wasting time on this? This is fantastic. Great, brilliant. Can we speed it up? I don't really need to check this internet speed. I'm not using it. Detroit doesn't need internet. So what's up, guys? Just me chatting with you. I hope it's okay. Good. Look at my connection speed. Download 3.7. I got this 50 megabytes. I'm paying for a 50 megabytes connection. My download's at 3.7. My connection is at 0.6. Mighty. Okay. There were quite a few of the outcomes. Let me guess. This one is you dying? No, can't be you dying. That's too soon. It's got to be one of these. All right, I'll just keep playing, I guess. Colonel left for Emma and fell, but let's see if I missed some. Wait, I did all of that. Wow. I didn't realize I did all of that. Okay. What did you do to Sherry Singh? I mean, Sherry. Only him and I know. Loading OS system initialization. Memory status, all systems. Okay. Must be another Android now, right?
This is the top of the range household
Yes.
assistant. It cooks 10,000
Come on, Zoe, let's go.
and handles the kids' meals. Elementary school. Took it out of school.
Oh, I'm an Android and not activated. I'm just looking at people. Dude, that's so creepy. Like, imagine. Because at some point we'll have Androids
We're doing a special promotion.
available now. Model KW500. I hope I'm in model KW500. It would be like the latest Galaxy.
And it does absolutely all the work around the house. Painting, plumbing,
Dude.
gardening, repairs.
That's an Android selling.
Surveillance mode contacts emergency services if there's a break-in or if it detects smoke.
Oh my god, the future is scary.
The NPA.
Oh, there's a better model. I don't like this guy.
There it is.
Wow, you look like
Difficult
shit.
getting it back and working. It was really messed up. What'd you say happened to it again?
The car hit it. Stupid accident.
What?
See. Anyway, it's as good as new now, except that we had to reset it. Meaning we had to wipe its memory. I hope you don't mind.
It'll be fine.
Okay. Give it a
So
name.
My daughter.
I belong
AX400. Register your name.
to this dude and he broke me before.
Kara.
My name is Kara.
Oh, and I get what you mean now about the intro cinematic. By the way, I'll play for like an hour as usual. It's been 20 minutes. Discount the previous stream but didn't go through at all. Okay, I'll pay attention because Jesse Williams. It's a big name. Red. Wow. Discount Coca-Cola. If I'm correct, this game is French, right? I mean, the developers are French. Clearly, it's not French. Like, yeah, Thomas, you've been speaking in English for like 20 minutes. That's ominous. That's my job because of androids. Help me. See, that's how capitalists get you to believe but there's no place for you in society. That like somebody else took your job. The same thing as with like immigrants, wherever. It's the same thing. It's the fat pigs being like, they've stolen your jobs. Well, no, you made it. You made it so that would you made it so that I would lose my job. November 5th, 2038. Oh, that's after the next pandemic, right? Go to Bellini paint shop.
Yes, I think that's enough.
Here. Let me help you.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, nice. Kids. Yikes. I'm not even gonna. I'm sure you can interact somehow. I'm not.
Hey, water. You have run 12 miles and are 5 miles away from your goal.
How rude. What a dick. Wait for the green light. I don't do that in real life, so I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I never walk in real life. Jesus Christ, can't you make it faster? No. Wow, that's a feature of the game, waiting. Alright. Let me walk. Okay. Was not letting me walk. Press power 2 to use GPS. Bellini. Was there? Okay. Does that just mean keep walking? Or I'm not sure. Has to? But what is this thing over there? What is this thing over there? I'm sorry. I guess I tried. Were you the thing over there? Whoa. Discount Adam Sandler. Human music, $1 to hear. Wow. Way to go being racist. Human music. Music with soul. Skrillex disagrees.
Alone in my bed. 6 a.m. is screaming. Back to this again. Do it with my eyes closed.
Nice. Let me see. I think he was the... Yes, he was. He was the point. DJ groceries. So it's like digital food. Look, it's further down. I'm sorry, I got 0 memories, so I'll have to check with the GPS every 2 seconds. I do that in real life too. Bellini paints. It looks great, don't you think? I don't know what you're looking about. Let's go. Well, connect. All right.
Identification verified.
Here is your order number
That
847.
games give you a lot
That
of
will be
things to think about.
$63.99. Please confirm payment.
Wow.
Payment confirmed.
Hey, you know what? I'm just saying this. I'm thinking
Transaction
about.
complete.
I wish we finally got like Samsung Pay and Apple Pay in Mauritius, because like, how practical would that be to just take your phone and be like, dude, bye, bitch. Okay, I'm just gonna go now. And I might miss a lot of things in the game because I'm very easily distracted. Use R1 to switch your camera. Okay. Is this better? Should I go there? Why is this in red over there? Okay. Can you go faster? No, you can't walk faster. Oh, good thing. I keep pushing forward, but it's not going on the other. It's pretty good. Not a lot of games doing that. 56 meters, but like temporary parking. Why? You gonna ride me? I'm just terrible. Terrible.
We got families to feed, and these androids are taking our place.
I should not interact with these guys. Whoops.
Where the fuck you going, Tin Can?
That's rude.
Hey guys, check it out. We got one of those tin cans here.
Okay, I can pose within that. That's kind of dumb, because like, that's still like, I know that's what I'm gonna say is gonna sound bad, but like, I am property right now. Not just because I'm black, but I am property of someone, right? Because these androids belong to people. So you doing this is just a crime, right? Because you're kind of just like endangering. I don't know if that's a term, because like, it's an object, but not an object per se. Let's keep playing. Wow.
Look at this little motherfucker. You steal our jobs, but you can't
Gangbanging in
stand up.
2038. Wow. Well, that's so stupid, because it's an android, so it can't feel pain. You're hitting someone who can't suffer.
You ain't going anywhere. We're gonna fuck your bitch ass up. Yeah, waste it.
Do it!
Alright. It's enough. Leave it alone.
Let us teach this bastard a lesson.
Officer, he was committing a crime.
Damage it, I'm gonna have to find you.
Yeah, that's it. I know I'm property, but like, what's the
Your
damage?
job next. So you like it.
Okay. Let's go.
See? That's because he's dealing with a white man, isn't it? Just a reprimand, nothing else. Cops. Okay, I'm gonna be parked, I guess. Because that's what we do. Park ourselves. How do we create these androids though? You know, like, what do you base yourself on to get these faces? Does it be uncanny to like see someone who looks good and just be like, we're gonna use that face? Because also you should have like copyright or royalties for how you look, right? Should just stop asking these weird ass questions. That was fast. Was there an option to beat up that guy? I don't think so. That was very short. I'm sure there was a moment where you could have interacted with the kids. I'm not gonna do that. Not just because I'm not a pedo, but because like kids. Yeah, that android is Jesse Williams. Yeah, but that's my point. In that universe, how do you decide? Because like you can't create a face by yourself. It's genetics. Like there are two things I guess you can't create by yourself. Faces and colors. You can't imagine a color that doesn't exist. Are the same with a face. It's genetics. You don't know how it's gonna come out. It could be close to the original model, but with whatever's been mixed. I'm gonna stop and get out of the car before this guy beats me up, because I clearly get like this type of fading from him. Not just because he's white, but mostly because he's white.
You coming?
See? His name Todd. Can you find any more white trash type of name? Todd.
You've been gone for 2 weeks.
Maybe I shouldn't say it
Place
like
a
this,
mess.
Todd.
You do the housework, the washing, you cook the meals, and you take care of... God damn it, where the fuck's the brat gone now? Alice! Alice! Oh, there you are. That's Alice. You look after her. Homework.
You didn't
bath,
see her.
all
She was
that.
literally just here.
Got it?
Yes, Todd.
Get started down here, then you do upstairs.
I'm not sure someone who lives in a house like this could afford me. I fail to see how he could. Okay, let's try and see what I can...
Yeah.
Wow, this is the game? Cleaning and stuff?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Depends on what you need.
Depends on what you need. Do you sell drugs? I would be interested. I'm in a lockdown. The situation is terrible. Yeah, time for me to do some housework. I can't wait. This is fantastic. That's the game you're getting me to play.
Yeah, same place, you know.
Dude. I'd hate to believe that we'd become this. Like, we couldn't even clean after ourselves later. But the thing is, I've got sisters and they already don't. So, yeah. Can I interact with...
TV on.
No. I fail to believe that someone with that house would be able to afford me and that TV. Curve Samsung, no matter how many inches. Housework. See, being a woman. I think I've done everything. Take out the trash. I'm a head out. Jesus Christ, she's like strong. Credit card application form. Overdrawn account notice. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This dude should not get to afford me. He like poo. Shit, I didn't stay in front of the TV. Well, too bad. I'm sure if I stay in front of the TV, he's gonna throw something at me. Like, that's a very big stereotype. He's trash. What the hell was he doing? Oh, he's doing illegal things.
Out of the way, for fuck's sake!
I'm sorry, Todd. It won't happen again.
Thanks, Remy. I'm sorry, Daddy. It won't happen again. Jesus Christ. Hey, so far I don't know if like they end up killing humans, but like so far I agree with whatever decision they would take.
What are you looking at?
Well, the TV
Get the fuck
Thomas,
out of here. Get the fuck out of here!
is this
I'll get back to work.
is the smoke red? I just saw like red smoke. I don't really know what product does that. Finish what? Finish first floor.
I've made a good start down here. I'll head upstairs.
Do what you have to do, but stop bothering me.
Humans deserve to die, and men are trash, but not necessarily in that order. You can't sprint. I mean, yeah, in real life you wouldn't. Can I talk to a little girl? That's not something I would say in real life. Neem.
That's a pretty toy. What's its name?
Should I do laundry? Look, how much stuff can I do for this guy? I can't. Can't go out either. Can't interact with this. I'm gonna wait. I just saw something. Oh yeah, that's a proof of him being poor. Yeah. Shit. No. And I'm just getting this like habit of clicking on R2 to like sprint. What a nerd. Is that a porn magazine? Can I borrow that? What are you seeing? Show me. Don't show her. Show me. Ventilate. No, that's L2, not R2. Damn.
And now to
This looks so nice. Kind of looks like Ori and the Will of the Wisps type of art style. Oh my.
Another 225,000 jobs were lost from the U.S. economy in October, according to
Once again, unemployment at all-time high. The government is the ones you should blame for it.
President Warren spoke today at the
Elizabeth Warren?
cyber life threat and
Okay, I'm done with this. Maxa. Jeremy, did you get me to play a game where I just clean up stuff? Keto. Crunchy. Medication warning. Contains tinapnip. What? That's a gun. That's not good. All sports. Yeah, one thing, girls, never date someone who's too much into sports. Wow. Yeah, that's the thing. I don't think we'll ever have like um, Android or robots replacing us for sports, because that's the thing. Like with human beings, they're prone to errors. For example, I'm a big Liverpool fan, but at the moment we're going through something which on paper should not happen, but we are going through it, right? Because human error and whatever can happen to humans. I don't think we're ever going to be replacing sports, because having these little mistakes being possible makes it so that the game is unpredictable. If you had robots,
Watch it.
I hope he dies. I really hope he dies, or I get the chance to help out in this. Jesus Christ. Do not go in there. Haha, Ace Ventura. Okay, thankfully they don't tell me to do that. This crumbling house, and he can afford A bloody Android. Oh, they do have ray tracing? I don't think so. This is strict. Because you can actually do that. The PS4 actually does that. That makes you think that you got your reflection. I am for real cleaning up everything. I'm pretty sure I can just keep doing that and it's just gonna open different pathways. No, wait, is that... It's kinda good practice, I would call it. It's not actually. Nobody here should do that. Okay, done pretty much everything.
I just want to tidy up your room a
A
little.
little.
I only need 2 minutes. Is that okay, Alice?
Are you mute? Great. You have fun. L2 once again. I like how these games allows you to do weird ass things with your controller. Oh, is that... Are we gonna flee from there? Is it what it means? Okay, this is some privacy concerns right now. Kneel once again, because that's what you do when you talk to short people. Friendly.
I'm sure we used to be friends before I was reset. Maybe we can be friends again.
Or your deadbeat dad did something to me. Don't know what.
Your father said you chose my name. Kara. It's nice. How did you choose it? You should tell me about yourself. What you like to do, where you like to go, your favorite foods. That would really help me.
I'm not gonna mention her mother, that would be dumb.
You're very quiet.
That too is
I
dumb.
hope I don't scare you.
Wow, you seem really shy. What you give me? I hope that's crack cocaine. Or PCP? Oh. Ominous. Aww. That's her mom and the deadbeat dude. 4-leaf clover. Are we gonna need that? Look, I mean. Yeah, he always looked like a bad dude. Look at him. Did he hit her? He wears tracksuits for like usual like daily. I'm sure he did beat her. He did beat me too. You can't die. He broke me. Way to go giving out hints, Alice. I can't stay there. Treasures. Yeah, it's kind of Slavic. As in, he likes slaves. Can I go down? Can't I go down? What are the calls? Call stood for new instructions. Yeah, let me go down. No? Is he in his room? ripping on a fat bong or something. Can't I go downstairs? I don't get it. I've done everything here. Yeah. Wait. Have I? Alice in Wonder. Aww. Is she named because of her? Oh, she was smiling. So they are able to feel emotions. I'm glad I didn't miss that though. Okay, now I can go down. It was not letting me before. I had to see that book, I think.
What are you doing?
Playing, dumbass.
I'm playing.
Play. I know what you're thinking. Think your dad's a lowlife.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Fucking loser?
Yeah.
Can't get a job, take care of his family?
I mean, I don't know how you can afford
Don't you
me.
think I tried to make things work? But whatever I do, when someone comes along, they just fuck it all up! I know what you think of me. You hate me. You hate me, don't you?
As she should.
You hate me! God. What am I doing?
Yeah, no. No, I'm not buying it. Well, it's too easy to just like do these things and be like,
Sorry. You know I love you, don't you?
uh.
You know I love you.
Okay, her face says, save me. That's done. Okay, I've done quite a lot on this one. Yeah. Yeah. Did quite a few things on this one. 5th, 2038. In the AM. Oh, my bus finally arrived. Great. Damn, I belong to someone rich. You see, that's the thing. That's the type of house I'm expecting from someone who can afford me. Here. Okay, we can all look at ourselves. Great. Bellini paints. Yeah, for example, any artsy type of thing, a machine can. Who's watched the movie with Will Smith? I something? You know the one with robots? And it's basically that now that I'm thinking about. It's one machine becoming sentient. But should I open that? Is that the right decision? Why am I doing this? Oh my god, I thought it was a real bird. Yes, iRobots. And at some point, Will in that movie just hates these robots, right? And he's like, you can't play like, you can't compose something like Mozart. And the robot just goes, can you? And I was just about to do one of these. The thing is, that's true, like, you're gonna always have to rely on human beings. I don't know what this game is just getting me to become super, like, concerned with the future and how this world is. Oh my god, I should not have played. I should not be playing this. This is not good for me. What do I do with that? Okay, I'm gonna be a good little slave. I mean, a robot. Good little robot. Anything else I can do in the kitchen? I should stop pressing buttons randomly because it's just it does things. See, like this, I should not do that. I don't know why I want to keep talking about that. Like, this conundrum of like, technology has to advance, but it's not good for us. Why do I want to talk about that so bad? I can look at my GPS too. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna do that. Because I'm a bad bitch, and I'm not gonna do that. Why does this dude have this? Once again, I know it's a game, but that's a weird thing for a robot to randomly do. Can I walk in? No, I can't walk between the legs. I'm sure the owner is white. It's just these all white dudes who have these kind of kinks, like. Yeah, the giraffe is tall and canny. Clean. I've played 3 robots till now. One of them died. 2 of those were just cleaning stuff. Thanks, that's a good recommendation. Is it me painting or is it my owner? Because that would be quite like, that would break what I just said about technology not being able to create art. Still really don't think technology would be able to do that. I'm sure that if I go close enough, it's gonna tell me to paint. And I was wrong. But hey, I just cleaned, I guess. I'm not gonna use the GPS because I am way too stubborn and I'm just gonna keep walking. Because that's human nature, discovery. Yes, I was sure that I could go upstairs. Oh, that's an old person. Yep, that's an old person. Oh my god, I have fallen and I can't get up. Who knows this meme? Am I really... They just... No. 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 What? What the hell? Okay, there's literally nothing here. It's a weird house setup, not gonna lie. Okay, are you sleeping, master? Yeah, he's an old dude. I mean, no, he could just be disabled. Look at him!
Good morning, Carl.
Good morning.
It's 10.
You know what thing? Like, people who've got tattoos would know that. Like, you've been told by your parents or whatever, but like, you're getting that, you know how... you know how ugly it's gonna look on you in the future? And I'm like, well, like, I'm gonna look ugly anyway in the future, I'm gonna be old. But like, it's pretty dope, actually. Because that's that, right? This dude, it's 2038. Okay, can't be my age. That would be our parents, I guess, or older millennials. I guess older millennials. No, can't be older millennials.
The weather is partly cloudy, 54 degrees, 80%
Thanks,
humidity with a
Bixby,
strong
says no
possibility
one
of
ever.
afternoon showers.
It sounds like a good day to spend in bed.
Yep, he's a millennial.
I did go to pick up the paint that you ordered.
Oh, yes, I've forgotten. That is the difference between you and me, right, Marcus? You never forget anything.
And I don't need medicine.
Show me your arm, please, Carl.
No.
Carl. Thank you.
My dude is ripped.
I just opened my eyes and I'm already gritting my teeth. Humans are such a fragile machine.
We are
They break down so quickly.
waiting.
All this effort to keep them going. Hey, what happened to your clothes?
Oh, it's nothing. Just some demonstrators in the street, Carl.
What a bunch of idiots.
I like
They
them.
think they can stop progress by roughing up a few androids? I hope they didn't harm you.
Oh, no, no. They just pushed me around, Carl. I'm fine. Okay.
I'm sure these demonstrators are from Florida. Let's go. Okay, it's already 2 buttons. Don't ask me for more. I'm gonna give you a buff. Didn't realize we were that intimate. That was quick.
Anything special on the agenda today?
Yes, there's the opening of your retrospective at the Museum of Modern Art. The gallery director left 4 messages asking to confirm your attendance.
I haven't decided yet. We'll see about that later.
Okay.
What else?
Just your usual fan mail. I've already answered.
That's what I do when people send me nice messages. I get someone else to reply to them.
No, Carl. I can call him if you like.
No. No, don't bother. I'm starving.
Well, your breakfast is ready. Bacon and eggs, just the way you
Wait.
like them.
Thank you, Mom.
Yeah. Dining table was there.
Television. Why don't you find something to do while I finish my breakfast?
Sure. Okay, Carl.
Such as take care of find something to do. Can I? No, you're not gonna make it play with yourself, joke. Hey, Deadbeat Dude Todd has a better TV than this. His is curved. This is just like a flat one. Yeah, it's transparent, yes, but ooh, we found life.
Television off.
That was quick.
Mankind is so depressing. Nothing but greed,
Tell me about it.
stupidity, and violence. 5,000 years of civilization just to get to where we are.
I guess you're not gonna finish. Oh, I guess you are. Like walking. Carl is an old Adrien Snapper. Big time. Can I play? Hopeful, intimate, enigmatic. Is it me playing Vado? Or what? I don't really know what I'm supposed to do now. I don't feel like me breath. That's not me doing this. Yeah, it's still not me. I'm clicking the touch ball. It's not to click. It's making love to it. Touch it false. That's what she said, Jeremy. Oh shit.
Something has changed in the way you play. Sometimes I think you have more humanity than most humans.
Think about that about my dog too, so.
One day I won't be here to take care of you anymore. You'll have to protect yourself and make your choices. Decide who you are
Jesus.
and want to become. This world doesn't like those who are different, Marcus. Don't let anyone tell you who you should be. Let's go to the studio.
The studio just here. Yes, it is. And I forgot about it. I did that just 5 minutes ago. Great. Am I supposed to place him somewhere? The game does that for you.
Let's see where we left off. Remove the sheet.
Damn. Core's a bit better than an all Adrien who's not pas. Clean studio. I guess I'll do that once again. What else is there for me to clean? I cleaned pretty much everything earlier, didn't I? Right, self-portrait card.
So, what's your verdict, Marcus?
Actually, I like it.
I'm not a very good judge. I don't think it's your best work.
The truth is, I have nothing left to say anymore. Each day that goes by brings me closer
I
to
thought
the
I
end.
selected I like
Just
it.
an old man clinging to his brushes.
Carl.
But enough about me. Let's see if you have any talent. Give it a try. Try painting something.
Paint? What would I... Painting what?
Anything you want. Give it a try.
Thanks, slave. No. No. I want to paint a painting. Anything else? That's the thing. Technology can replicate, not create in itself.
That is a perfect copy of reality. The painting is not about replicating the world. It's about interpreting, improving on it, showing something you see.
Carl, I don't think I can do that. It's not in my program.
Go on, go, try it. Grab that canvas.
I think this dude knows what he's doing. He's trying to make this robot sentient.
Do something for me. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Trust me.
It should not matter because as a robot, the arm
Try to
gesture
imagine
should
something
be.
that doesn't exist, something you've never seen.
That's the thing, imagination.
Now concentrate on how it makes you feel. And let your hand drift across the canvas.
My yellow circle of death is blinking a lot. Humanity. I am more for identity and doubts. Please don't read into that. So many weird things I have to do to my Teshmad right now. And finally a game that's pushing me to use it. Damn.
Oh my God.
And who are you? Is he the Leo?
Hey, Dad.
He looks like
Leo?
trouble. Not just because he's white,
I
because
didn't
he's
hear
wearing
you
a
come
beanie.
in.
Oh, I was in the neighborhood. I thought I'd stop by. It's been a while, right?
You all right? You don't look so good.
Oh, yeah, I'm fine. Hey, listen.
This nigga is in
some cash,
PCP.
Dad.
I would.
Again? What happened to the money I just gave you?
It just goes.
Yeah, that's how money works. It just goes, you know.
Yeah, you're on it again, aren't you?
No, 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 I swear it's not that.
Don't lie to me, Leo.
What difference does it make? I just need some cash. That's all.
Sorry. The answer's no.
What? Why?
You know why.
Yeah, I think I do know why. you'd rather take care of your plastic toy here than your own son, right? Tell me, Dad, what's he got that I don't? Smarter, more obedient, not like me, right? But you know what? This thing is not your son. It's a fucking machine.
Leo, that's enough. Enough.
So you fight by pushing.
You don't care about anything except yourself and your goddamn paintings. You've never loved anyone. You never loved me, Dad.
Well, you're not everyone on the planet, are you?
You never loved me.
To create you, you have to love someone. Well, not necessarily. Okay. We've met the deadbeat dad, now the deadbeat son. Leo intruded to us for money. I think that there's no the end. Yeah, that one was a bit lengthier. I kind of want to keep playing, but it's been 1 hour and 12 minutes without counting the failed attempt earlier. So I'm just gonna keep that for tomorrow, and yeah, actually like it. I like Detroit. It's pretty fun. I love how my controller is, but maybe why the battery is already dead. So thanks for having. Let's look at the world stats in percent. France stats in percent. Wait. Worldwide, most people. I did like I'm basic. Yeah. Except for that, most people copied the statue. Yeah, and this one, most people went with hopeful music. Most people played the piano. Most people noticed Marcus. Oh, most people had the old guy notice. There's no way we could have hit that dude. Activate birds. I'm still weirded out by this. Read North Pole, Russia. Read Life of on Titan. Okay. I mean, I covered everything here. It just where choices actually start mattering. Anyway, we're gonna keep at this tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be doing it on time. That is 8 p.m. and not like 8:30, and then we'll see. I just needed to get dinner. But yeah, thanks for having been with me, guys. Pretty fun. Yeah, let's just see how tomorrow goes. Hopefully the Wi-Fi is better. But now at least I know that I have to plug the thing beforehand. I'm an imbecile. We can agree on this. That's all for me for now. You might want to look at my page on Friday. Well, anyway, I'm gonna stream tomorrow and we'll talk tomorrow, I guess. And then I'll tell you about what's gonna happen on Friday. On Friday. So, yo.